Large civil engineering projects, particularly infrastructure projects, have never been more important than in this post-COVID-19 era. Building out the 21st century with engineering methodologies that deliver on time and on budget require the use of sophisticated software-driven tools to manage complexity and deliver value to multiple stakeholders. Joining me are 4 experts who will discuss how designers, engineers, and managers can come to terms with the speed, cost, and quality triangle. Here's an excerpt. All right, what does a breakdown of infrastructure funding look like, and where are the opportunities right now? I mean, we get a sense that there's billions of dollars sloshing around here.
I think from the state and local government perspective, they're starting to catch on that they need to compete with this global modernization effort, right? So progress is really going to be defined by innovation, and mission success is going to be driven by adaptability, right? When we think about long-term sustainability and resilience, technology is without a doubt going to be the backbone of that.
Aaron, will this technology with AI and this ability to simulate and iterate in real time at this point, are we going to see those crazy, wild, organic designs? Are we going to fundamentally change the way our infrastructure looks?
I believe so. I just seeing what's happened in the last 10 years has gone leaps and bounds on what we had, before that. Drafting tables to computers to what Autodesk has done with their software is unbelievable. And I think that one of the major things is, it's making Autodesk and that 3D modeling and the AI and all that stuff, that software is making it more exciting for our younger populations to get into that.
And I think the addition of Autodesk has actually, for us, it's created some excitement for our internal staff. It's a recruiting tool for us when we're going out to the universities recruiting new staff. They're excited with the direction that we're headed in.
As technology goes, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the days of having a hologram and being able to spin that around and pick any item in that hologram and see what's inside that model or see what's inside the utility. So I'm super excited about the future and what it's going to hold.